So, hello, good day. Welcome to the tour of this beautiful Hyundai i40 with a 1.7 GDI engine and automatic transmission with just under 100,000 kilometers. Dame si studeni start. So the engine started, let's say, well, however, there was a slight hesitation, but there's really little diesel in the car, so I attribute it to that. So at first, the vehicle looks nice. However, we have a problem with the paint job. There's quite a lot of it. Let's walk around the car first to see how it looks. Of course, there are some cosmetic flaws on the car, but what bothers me the most is the paint job. All the cosmetic flaws will be photographed. The problem is that here we start at 400 microns. We move the dent like this. We have 400 microns on the other side too. The whole car here. Here it starts to slope, 300 microns. And here we end at the back at about 170 to 80. Fifth door, 170, roof 220. It's really visible when we look. I'll show you up close like this. Do you see that strange texture? That's just from the aftermarket painting. Here too, yes. That's wrong. The car has been in some accident. Although the CB only mentions the hood, it wasn't just the hood. Yeah, there was a bit more. We opened the hood and you see it's already corroding here. That's not good. The engine started kind of strangely, then it settled, but this I just wouldn't recommend, you know. For now, that's it. We'll still take the vehicle for a drive, put it on a lift, but I just don't recommend the vehicle. I don't like it. Thanks to this paint job, plus the cosmetic defects, which are not exactly few. We actually have this fuel cap closure. Just look, it's broken. You know, that just won't ever close if someone broke it off. Yeah, here the door, well, just not good. In the interior of the vehicle, of course, there are some cosmetic defects. It is not anything too terrible. Here I wasn't. Here we just have a scratched steering wheel, you know. So like this. Otherwise, it's not terrible, you know. Of course, this piano lacquer is scratched, but I don't like it. Here's a detail on the kilometers. The kilometers are great. Even the price, even price-wise, the car is quite a good deal, right? Not that it isn't, but here it's peeling. Simply as someone has repainted it, that's definitely not good. We even have the inner parts painted, which is just not really great. It's rather bad, yeah. So when we look into the trunks, I also have things for it here. So the trunk doesn't look bad, right? It's not scratched, it's a bit dirty, but and as I say, I just don't really like it. Because of the painting, it's done, the whole car is just orange, like the texture of the paint. Of course, we have to consider that it's a Hyundai, but there's clearly visible orange peel. The wheels are scuffed like this. The brakes are at the end of their lifespan. That's really not good. I don't like it. Nevertheless, we'll put the car on the lift and see. We'll see just, well, it has, I say in CB, there's just the hood, but the car is really repainted all over. Just a full repaint. There's not a single original part. So like this. So now we have completed the test drive. However, during the test drive, transmission error occurred. The vehicle actually jerks during acceleration, and the brakes are really at the end of their lifespan. They shake terribly when braking. I thought it might be due to over braking, but it really isn't. The brakes are just bad, so I do not recommend the vehicle.